这是一个普通的巴黎早晨，不冷不热，有点微风。我一个人坐在西带岛的尽头，脑中开始思考一个哲学问题：生活的意义是什么？在巴黎，你似乎能看到一些答案。塞纳河边席地而坐的浪漫，卢森堡公园里晒太阳的惬意，咖啡馆门口聊天的轻松，马路上慢悠悠闲晃的自在。这里的人似乎有一种奇妙的魔力，能把生活里的那些波澜不惊活得像是加了滤镜的电影。是我们对巴黎的想象加持，还是巴黎人真的天赋异禀？刚好我的法国朋友 Simon 邀请我去他家做客，我决定趁这个机会来探索一下所谓的法式人生哲学。
Ça va?
It's not too early for a drink?
No, it's never too early for a drink.
Simon 今年38岁，哲学系出身的他现在是一名室内设计师。自从和他成为朋友，自以为活得精致的我瞬间相形见绌。他会根据天气跟心情购买不同的鲜花，7天起床就为了跑到楼下买到最新鲜的瓦棍，以及找一切理由开一瓶好酒。
How do you feel? Do you like it?
Yeah, it's good. It's Burgundy, right?
Yeah, it's a Burgundy, a Bourgogne, Louis Saint-Georges from 2011.
Oh, it's quite old.
I like Pinot Noir from the time. But I think you prefer white wine.
Yeah.
I got one from my friend's winery. Let me check if I can find it.
You using your phone to check the wine?
Yeah, it's my smart wine cooler. It's really great because it's difficult to remember how many bottles you buy. With this one, you don't have to check bottle by bottle. It's okay, it's so much easier.
That's cool, and it's a Chinese brand.
And the double control zone for temperature is one of my favorite things about it. You can storage red wine and white wine at the same time with different temperature. It's really great.
Why are you so very fancy?
Of course, Anthony, you are in France. You have to learn to respect wine. It's the law here. Here you have a Burgundy from 2011. You have to put it at 17 degrees. For the white wine, it's different. Here, I found it.
Oh.
Let me get it. For a white wine like this one, you have to store it at 14 degrees. But this one is a bit younger, so you have to chill it before you drink it. With the ice-making function of my refrigerator, I can have clean ice and water at all times. And do you want some cheese?
Yeah, sure. 酒要在合适的温度保存，也要在合适的温度里喝。Simon 非常擅长在被速度拉扯变形的生活里，找到那份让自己慢下来的仪式感。
There's a word in French called un kiff, which means these little moments of happiness. Here you are.
Merci.
But you have to have time for yourself. Like an appointment, you put it in your calendar and just make it happen.
You mean you will make an appointment for yourself to relax?
Yes, I will tell you a secret. I made a pact with myself. When I'm very busy on a project, I take a glass of wine during my laundry.
Why laundry?
Because it's an appointment I made for myself. You have to find some time in your life to relax, to enjoy, and life is made of those wonderful moments.
Looks like I need to buy a nice washing machine first.
Yes, I can recommend this one I have at home. Not only can it be customized with different washing programs for different fabrics via your phone, but you can also use the refresh function if your clothes aren't too dirty, which is more environmentally friendly.
Okay, even your laundry is so fancy.
Oui, Anthony, tu n'as pas tort.
法国哲学家萨特说，生活在没有人去生活之前是没有意义的，它的价值恰恰就是你选择的那种意义。在 Simon 的法式生活哲学里，也充斥着各种选择：选择一个跟自己的约会，选择一台更智能的家电，选择一种更自洽的生活模式。而也正是这些选择，勾画出了他的生活的意义。 科技还能给生活带来哪些选择的可能？我来到柏林，跟着像 Simon 一样的许多欧洲用户，体验来自中国的科技力量。
We are really trying to offer an experience rather than just a product. So it is really the combination of smartness, working with our customers to create scenarios in their home, in their kitchen, in their laundry room, in their living room here, in order to add value in their daily life.
更先进的技术、更智能的体验以及更可持续的未来，让海尔这个中国品牌成为欧洲最具创新力和影响力的企业之一。
And since the products are really fitting the premium segment here, since we do have product leadership here, our customers across Europe have been welcoming this brand 25% on a yearly basis in a market right now. And we are planning to double again our turnover in the next coming 5 years.
从为全球提供好家电到为全球定制好生活，海尔带着全新的愿景，为像 Simon 一样的欧洲乃至全球的用户提供美好生活的新可能。
We have been introducing the new X11 washing machine with bionic oven, which is a brand new oven with plenty of sensors, technology connected with 7 levels of cooking system. We have major innovations in every single product category.
为用户创造全新的智慧场景新体验，海尔不仅改变了其欧洲用户的生活方式，更是将中国科技的创新力量带到了欧洲以及全世界。
We're addressing a pain point in Europe, which is energy prices and energy consumption. And thanks to our application, we'll be enabling our customer to manage his energy consumption, reducing his energy bill at year end. That's a major innovation here, which is made in Haier.
在这个世界上，有的人追逐意义，有的人创造意义。海尔用人性化的设计、高端化的科技，让便利的美好生活变得具体，让可持续的智能世界触手可及，也让你的生活充满意义。那么，又回到了我们开篇的问题：生活的意义到底是什么呢？好好生活，享受科技带来的美好。